Every Tuesday night in the Leading's parking lot, they have old cars, which is very, very cool because, they don't make them anymore. Especially cars like this. This is a old Chevy. It's a very old car, and they don't make cars like this anymore. This one looks very beautiful, and you have to have a lot of time and patience to to keep these up. These cars are old, but they're nice. They're beautiful. They don't make cars like this anymore. They don't make cars. The blue car is funky. Kind of cool. Look at the inside. Look at the wheels. Every Tuesday night they have a car show of old cars in the Lidl's parking lot in Franklin Square, which I think is kind of cool. Look at the engine on that. Look at these. I'm good. Look at the old car coming. They don't make cars like this anymore, folks. These kind of cars they do, not those. This is an old car, as you can tell. Like I said, you gotta have a lot of time, energy, and patience for old cars like this. This is a Chevy. Like I said, they don't make cars like this anymore. Every Tuesday night they have a show in the Lidl parking lot.